What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all well. Today looks kind of straightforward today. I guess I ended up resetting the account, but I had to buy a new one. I couldn't rescue that one. So yeah. So let's see how this one goes. My eyes on the 15-minute are set on this 15-minute for value gap if it wants to push there, or this one above here. And then this is the main source of liquidity. It's been here for like 3 weeks, I think, since I've marked this. And now we might get the breakthrough today. Might. We'll just see. We have the London low, we have the London high. We'll see which side the price wants to tag first. But ideally, obviously, to sell, we ideally want price to first. We might have an up movement, but if not, it could just sell off right away. Like he has already swept it. So yeah, let's just wait and see what the market wants to do and what it has for us on the daily. This is where we are. We went above this, and it looks we might just close above this. So we're looking at this for today for current price action. And let's see, do we get to shorted market open potentially using that first fair value gap? So mm, let's see what happens. Let's see, we have some time before the market opens. Uh News, we have news at 10 o'clock, but I'm not really worried about that because you know how it is. On the right side of the news, there's nothing you should be worried about. So let's see. Mm, mm. We're straight downtrend. I think yesterday ended up selling actually. Sorry, I forgot about yesterday. Ended up just selling. Um, yours is clean because I genuinely thought once it goes above this, but I watched this ICT video where this was explained to me how when price swept this high and then just continue going lower. So I see how this one goes. Let's see what we got for today. Uh, I'm right. Uh, uh, Oh, we have 4 minutes left till class. I want to see if Price is gonna tag that 15 minute. That would be a nice play. Those feels like forever, forever, forever. Man, well, lock in. I don't even honestly have much to say today, bro. We just need a good win, to be honest. That's what we need. I think this London Dome match this guy just tagged. Oh. How many people is it from here to here? 152. Is market open? Let's see. If you have this open range gap, it is hella big. It's like over 500. No, that's the text. Let's go starting with some Polish. Yo. On a Saturday, bro. So we're gonna use this, but it is not the first for value gap. Okay, we're back. Let's see. We might get off first for value gap. If this let's see, we'll be able to use this as our first value gap. This. So when price comes back up into this one, it should respect the upper half. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we get a retracement back into it, and then we'll go for sells. Mhm. Okay, it's going. Be patient. If it doesn't retrace back, then nothing for us. But but yeah, this is the target that we're looking at. So let's see when this candlestick closes, or we get a retracement back into this. I'm gonna put limit orders just for now. Um, yeah, and put limit orders, and I'll show you guys. $6 at risk, and let me show you guys. There's the limit order right over there. We're gonna see will price come back and retrace back into this. That lowers the target, so hopefully it doesn't take it out, or else we have no target to aim for. So this is the trade idea. Ideally, if you do get something, I'm just putting TPs. Uh, let's see. Let me show you guys what I had in mind. TP wise, let's see. You see that? We're not even so far off it, bro. Just might just do it. We might have missed a good. Uh, let's see what we get. If not, we leave it and then no trades this Friday. And then we'll see the charts on Tuesday. Ah, this was a nice, I guess, entry idea. And price is just coming back up a little bit there. That's clean. Oh, ah. I would say my concern regarding entry rise would be this. So I'm looking at this, like price coming to tag, and then something telling my TP should be a little bit. I mean, my stop loss should be higher than that because of that. But ideally, we'd want price to respect the lower half. Oh, but obviously, we have news today. The news might come and help do the damage a bit. So I have to be careful and I'll just enter accordingly. I'll do this. So I'll probably put my entry just above this a little bit so that I can put my stop loss just above that. If that makes sense. Or let me just do this. I'm gonna do this, modify, and then I'm gonna put this one above here as well. And then this one a little bit higher. Yo, that TP one would have been gotten hit by now. I don't think we're gonna get fooled into this one, bro. The TP1 would have gotten hit soon. I think we might just miss this one, bro. Just pressed already here. If it breaks this, bro. So still this for belly gap. There's this low right there as well. Hmm. You see that TP1 would have that TP1 would have gotten hit. You guys see that? Yeah. So I don't think we'll get fully into this one, bro. I'm gonna just delete these orders for now. I mean, let's call it a day right there. And I bet you this has to do with that. The Nasdaq is gonna take out this low. Open the new candle. Mm. Mhm. Question is, when it comes back up here, is it gonna continue going higher? I mean, is it continue going lower? Or is it gonna inverse this? That's where my mind is at because I already took out the London low. What did that damage? So we don't know if it wants to go and if it's gonna continue or not. Mm, it's a shaky day. Or I just wait until later on when once this favela gap was formed and the next price action comes in, the next candlestick would come and you chase deeper inside. So that's what I'm thinking. Because I'm also looking at this. If past inverses this, let's see if it's gonna come here, back up here. Can use this to come back up here. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see. I don't know, Chad. I'm genuinely not certain. Here we are. Just you see that? It's far off on this one. Let's look at the daily real quick to make sense of that. Let's swipe this one, but then this one. See that in Nasdaq, it's at this one, and this one. Oh, whoa! I only see that now. This is not that good. I'm not trying to think in terms of S&T divergence right now. I'm trying to think of price genuinely coming back and to continue going lower. We do have been using 10 minutes. And let's see what that news does. I'm going to put my limit orders back on. I'm just gonna wait and see. So the question is price gonna continue? Is price gonna continue going low on all of on this play? I'm looking at because yeah, it's coming back into this 15-minute. What do Nasdaq? What's this here? I was gonna put the limit orders for sales and delete menu. Let me see. Yeah, gonna be ready. 5 minutes. Okay. Bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. So I would want to see this left unopened. The small one, I don't know if you guys can see that, but for my broker, oh, so you can see I removed the limit orders. I was looking at that. Mm, this is a big decision, guys. Are we gonna sell? Are we gonna stay in? I mean, not. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. 'Cause I don't want this to be a fake out, bro. Like I said, either you're gonna enter for sales or buys. I'm in the macro right now. I'm gonna buy this candle. Doing something a little bit crazy. I'm gonna buy this. I wanna see what price inverse this, and I'm seeing this as a judo swing. So wish me all the best on this one. I'm in the trade, as you guys can see. TP wise, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm now to the good. I'm looking at that London high right there. But full around up there. Just around about. First TP is all the way up there, which is a London high. Make only to make $43. And then second, I'll put it like at highs, these highs right there. So you set this London low. It's great. You set that London low. Honestly, we'll come for the London high because we already set that. Uh, yeah, we did not close above this yet. So that's the trade boys. First TP right over here for $30, and then the second one, the last one is this one for $42. So that's the trade idea. Let's see what happens. So I'm using, when price used this for value gap, I entered off that. So my fills are like just around, wait, this line right over there, on about there, and then stop loss just there. I have news in 2 minutes. Let's see what the news does. Ugh. We have a minute until the news release. Let's see what happens. There we go. We have the news release. Giving a nice push there. Hmm. Let's see what the first TP get hit. And then we'll put the trade on break even, and then we're done. First TP got hit. I'll put it on break even, and I'm done with this one. I hate this interface. No, that's not what I want to move. Let me just do it on my phone. It's easier. Don't put. Yeah, let's see what the London high get taken. It's close to these other relative equal highs, but I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna leave it for that London one. Where my mind is at. Let's see what happens. So yeah, good trading day. Good trading day. First TP hit, and now we're just looking at this to get hit. Hopefully, stop losses around about here. If I'm not mistaken. Maybe I prefer leaving it. Okay, you know what? I'm put it break even, but I don't trust. I don't want to get taken out for no reason, bro. I mean, I have the rules for a reason. So yeah, that's what happens. I want to see price respect this one. This right there. Oh, come on. I want to see price respect. This value gap. I should respect that. So yeah, if it respects that, be good. Then obviously when I said come and take out that London high. You know, one thing about news days like this, I'll always get my trades clean, bro. Trades are always clean. So this is as clean as it gets. So yeah, this is it for this to work out, and yeah, I'm not far off. Get it. You gotta eat it. Good risk reward and all the good things. First win of the month, I think. No, sorry, that's what I'm lying. I did get a win, but yeah, second win of the month. I guess it's good for the new account that we're using. It's good for the fresh account. And then I think we'll only be left with $55 to pass if you get this right. Or 53. So nice. Almost there. We have 7 minutes until this macro end. I mean, 2 minutes. We're almost there. We're almost there, chat. I'm struggling right there. And we're done. We done. I can hop off. There's nothing to celebrate, bro. This is all personal, bro. There's really nothing to celebrate. Uh, nice day though, clean trading day. Otherwise, I was looking at this mode point, but obviously, I ain't got no time for no greed, bruh. But yeah, beautiful clean trade setup today. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, of course. Cheers. See you on the, yeah, on the recap.